This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive with BioInvest Israel in Haifa, Israel 2012. Standing with me is Professor Arie Orenstein of the Chaim Sheba Medical Center, the National Hospital of Israel. Welcome to SNNLive.
Hi.
It's good to have you. Now, tell me about, first of all, the hospital. Then I want to find out what you do.
The Chaim Sheba Medical Center is the largest hospital in the Middle East. It's a 2,000-bed hospital. It's a tertiary hospital which actually delivers all kinds of the most modern applications in medicine. It includes as well a high academic life with about 250 PhDs. So we do a lot of research and development in the hospital as a university.
So in other words, if anything you get sick, that's where you want to go.
I'm not objective.
So now what do you do?
I'm in my profession a surgeon. I'm a plastic surgeon for my last 40 years. And since 20 years, I am the chairman of Advanced Technology Center at the hospital. It's an institute that brings under its roof physicians, clinicians, scientists, PhDs, industry and funding together, trying to develop new ideas, the future ideas in the medical field, and building up new startup companies, to privatize them and build up new companies.
I am fascinated by the fact that here's the largest hospital in Israel, and they're concerned about the littlest technology that could come out of this hospital, making life better for people in the world. It's amazing.
It's true. It's really unique because regularly all over the world and in Israel as well, usually the academic life is concentrated or focused in certain fields like brain science, cardiological sciences, oncological sciences. We are totally unfocused. It means anything which is good for the patients and can be a business, we are in. I have 12 PhDs in the different fields of science, which few of them are PhDs in nuclear physics, in chemistry, in biochemistry, in biology, in computer sciences, all
okay,
professions.
Professor, you ready? What's coming out? What do you...
Let's finish first the story. And the story is that it is very important not only for the country, because we develop new technologies and build up new companies for the country as well, but it is very important for the hospital, especially a nationalized system hospital, a socialized system, where if you are depending on the government and the money coming from the government, you are not able to keep your knowledge and know-how and the facilities and the devices in the highest level. So you must find other ways to bring money, other sources. So this is one of the ways, because what we do, we develop new ideas, so the hospital earns a lot of money out of the exits we do from this company. So it's a new way, it's part of the new concept of the modern hospital, which won't be only physicians and patients, but it will be part of the industry as well, to deliver new sources of money to the hospital and to the medical system and for the patients.
I just think that it's exceptional what you've told us today. Is there any one thing you want to tell us about any product or any development that we should be knowledgeable of?
We are working on both sides, on devices and in pharma. So one project in pharma, which is a very important future technology, is based upon targeted nanoparticles in oncology, which means you take a nanoparticle in which you can actually frame thousands of drug compounds into, and it has a GPS that brings it into the specific tumor cells, into it. It makes recognition, it knows how to recognize the tumor, it makes conjugation, it binds itself to the tumor, and thirdly, it internalizes itself into, and it brings the drug into the cancer. And it is good for different cancers as well as for different diagnostics in optics, in MRI technologies, and in nuclear medicine as well. So it's a whole platform that will enable us to develop many technologies around it. We just earned a great grant from the FP7 program, the European one, and we earned a grant of 12 million euros for this project.
Well, Professor, let me tell you how interesting this was. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, we have just heard from Professor Arie Orenstein of the Chaim Sheba Medical Center, the largest hospital in all of Israel. I want to thank you for coming on to SNN Live. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
And good time in Israel.